In today's video, I want to show you how to turn off Safe Search mode on Google iPhone. To turn off the Safe Search mode on Google iPhone, the first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your Safari or your Google Chrome, any browser you're actually using on your iPhone. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using Google Chrome. So let's go to my Google Chrome here. So once you open up your Google Chrome, I want you to go to the search bar and search for and type this thing inside the search bar www.google.com/SafeSearch. Let's do that now. Just type in google.com slash save search. So once you put in the google.com/save search, you just want to tap on search, just tap on go. So once you tap on that, it will take you to your Google account on this iPhone. So for this tutorial to work out for you, you have to make sure you are logged in on your Gmail to this iPhone. Make sure your Gmail is already logged in on this iPhone device. So if your Google account is already logged in on this device, so you cannot proceed to this step that I'm showing you. So guys, so once you tap on that, it will load up this page for you. So once it loads up this page for you, this is where you can turn it off. So what do you do here? If you check the bottom here, you're going to see where it says off. So I want you to change it from blur to off. Just tap on off. Once you tap on off, the Safe Search will be turned off on your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off Safe Search mode on Google iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.